The Ministry of Health is offering new standardized datasets, known as core data tables, of some of their data assets. Population Data BC is now providing these core data tables for eligible approved projects. Today, we'll explore some key changes in the Discharge Abstracts database and National Ambulatory Care Reporting System. The DAD core has been streamlined. By focusing on the data for April 1st, 2001 onwards, mandatory and essential data elements, and removing a number of less frequently requested fields. Fields removed include special care unit stay, start, end dates and times, and intervention details such as start, end dates and times, anesthetic codes, and extent and location attributes. These fields will now be accessible through a non-core route by submitting a special request. The DAD core, containing information on both acute hospital discharges and day surgeries, is organized into categories that align with CHI-HI data element groupings, including administrative information, patient demographics, lengths of stay, including days and special care units, patient pathway information, clinical information, including diagnoses and interventions, reproductive fields, new mental health fields, and pre-linked CHI-HI case grouper fields. The DAD core contains some new value-added fields, such as mental health fields, Charlson Comorbidity Index, populated from 2015 onward. The Charlson Comorbidity Index is calculated using pre-admission comorbidities recorded on the current abstract only, so it does not consider prior hospitalizations or outpatient service use. Pre-linked CHI-HI grouper fields with the same year methodology, including case mix groups, resource intensity weights, comprehensive ambulatory classification system, major clinical category or major ambulatory cluster, expected length of stay, inpatient RIW atypical code, and grouper methodology year. A consideration to note, depending on your research needs, is that the pre-linked CHI-HI grouper fields use year-specific methodology. Since the grouper methods change annually, use caution if making comparisons between years. In NACRS, overall, fields remain consistent with minor changes. For example, fields now available include wait and time spent in ED and transfer information, consisting of hospital number from N2 and level of care from N2, if applicable. New fields that will soon become available include intervention codes and ED investigative technology. If an ED visit is admitted to hospital, the DAD-NACRS linkage makes it easier to identify and link to related DAD hospital admissions and NACRS ED visits by DAD case ID and NACRS, and NACRS case ID and DAD. Overall, the new core tables are more streamlined while maintaining fields required for the majority of analytical needs. We'd love to hear from you. Visit us on our website at www.popdata.bc.ca.